How to change your phone number on Facebook without losing access. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. Today's tutorial video is on how you can change your phone number on your Facebook without losing your access to the account. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First step, locate your Facebook app and then open it up. After you open up your Facebook app, make sure you're logged in into your account. After that, you can then head over to your menu on the top right here, right below your Messenger app. After you do that, tap on your settings icon. After you're on your settings and privacy, you should find your Meta's account center. Tap on that. And right here, you should see your personal details under the account settings section. Tap on personal details. And after you here, you will find your contact info. Tap on it. And from here, you should be able to add a mobile number if you haven't. And if you do have already added your mobile number, you can simply change it. So you can tap on your old phone number and then delete it. And after that, tap on add mobile number. Now, when you delete your old mobile number, you will or you might be asked to enter your password. So do that. And after that, you can easily enter your new phone number right here. Then tap on the change button. After that, you will get a verification. And after the verification is done, you will have changed your phone number on your Facebook and you will not lose your access. And that's basically it, guys. And that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.